So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for, you know, paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company is called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. The company is called Cover. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about Lyft bonuses. Lyft just launched a new bonus structure for drivers, and Uber has also launched some bonus structures for drivers. So, and then Uber and Lyft have also launched another type of bonus structure for drivers. So basically 3 bonuses for drivers. The first one we're gonna be talking about is, bro, there's this motorcycle dude has been chilling with this, bro. I get it, yeah, we get it. You have a motorcycle, bro. You're cool. You're cooler than all of us. Just sit on your motorcycle for 30 minutes. I'm sure you get a lot of ladies. I'm just salty because I don't have a motorcycle. I would never drive one too. Those things are so dangerous. So before I get into the video, if you can please leave the video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate that a lot because yeah, it helps me out as a creator and it just helps me out. There's no way, if you're a YouTuber, you know, it helps with more engagement and helps me get more views and supports me. It's free as well. This video is not sponsored by anybody. It's sponsored by the like button. So without further ado, let's hop right into it and subscribe and check out the links down below. So this is the screenshot that we're looking at today. This is stay in the pink zone to earn more. So a lot of times when you're driving for Lyft, they will say, after you drop off a passenger, you will enter a pink zone. And for whatever reason, Lyft pays you to not move. I don't know why the heck they have this, but I don't know if they're like anticipating more rides in that area, but like you're not even getting a ride and they literally are paying you just to stay put and not move and not log off the app. This gentleman, I haven't seen one over $14 before. I've gotten them before for like $2-3. But this guy looks like he's in San Diego, maybe, or New York, right by the water, or New Jersey, Michigan, maybe, Chicago. I don't know where he is, but he, for whatever reason, you see that little plus area? If you stay, so the purple area, that's the surge zone for Lyft. The pink area, that's the mega surge. You actually get paid just to chill in there. So if you want to drive for Lyft and get paid to do nothing, you sit in there. So that bonus will be applied to your next ride. So this dude's ride, he's getting an extra $14 at least on his next ride. I'm assuming he got a ride shortly thereafter. Maybe it could have even gone up to $30 just to sit there. And the way it works is you sit there and it goes up a few cents every couple seconds. So it might even be like 1 cent a second. It just keeps going up and up and up. No, I think it's more than that. It's like 3 cents a second, something like that. But it's really interesting. Now Uber, what does Uber have? They have launched consecutive trip bonuses. So the consecutive trip bonuses, this is Uber's, right? Uber has these consecutive trip bonuses. As you can see here, they pay you to do these trips, right? Make $12 for an extra 3 consecutive trips. They give you 2 hours to do that. That's pretty good. So you're talking about an extra $4 or $5 per trip, right? Some of them are bigger, some of them are smaller. You really want to hop on these because if you can hit those rides, that increases your dollar average amount. What's the average amount on Uber? $10. There's been studies that say $10 per trip is the average. Well, if you can get an additional $3, $4, $5, $6 per ride, that'll make your ride average go up and up and up. And let's say you give 10 rides in a day or in a night, instead of getting $100, you're now getting $150, $160, $200. So those consecutive trips are pretty good. Lyft, now let's take a look at Lyft's. Lyft also has consecutive trip bonuses too. So Lyft is, you know, they're usually not as good, but they call them streaks. So Lyft streak bonuses, $15 for 3 rides in a row, but they only give you 1 hour to do it, which honestly is pretty darn dang diggity difficult to do 3 rides in 1 hour. So a lot of times you're gonna try to go for that and you're not gonna hit it because you're gonna get some dude who wants you to go to Timbuktu, Idaho. It's gonna take an hour long ride. At least with Uber, chances are, you know, you're only gonna get 1 long ride in an hour and the other 2 are probably gonna be a little bit shorter. So for 2 hours, in my opinion, Uber's way better. What are the other ones? So, and then Uber and Lyft also have retroactive referral promos. For the longest time, Lyft never did that, but I've gotten DMs from drivers saying that Lyft is now doing retroactive sign-up bonuses. So if you contact Lyft and say, hey, I mean, I think they're more like, oh, if you sign up within the past week and you didn't use a referral code, you know, you will still count it. With Uber, you can do it for like 3 months after. If you sign up and you never use a referral code, 3 months later you want to use one, fine. So anyways, these are the updates. The referral codes are down below, but the other weekly bonuses and streak bonuses and consecutive trip bonuses and peak bonuses, those are all throughout the video. So, you know, go ahead and look at that if you want. But anyways, check the links down below for other ways to increase your income as a driver. There's a bunch of different ways to make money right now. Play OCTOPUS, Cover, if you want paid time off as a driver. Take a sick leave, take a day off from work, you're not feeling too hot, hit up Cover. They'll pay you money, they'll give you money. The sick leave you have to pay back. By the way, the paid time off you don't need to pay back. That's when if you get into an accident, you get hospitalized, you get temporarily deactivated, Cover will replace your income, 80% of your income. They'll give it to you and you don't need to pay that back. The sick leave, if you just want 1 day off, if you're sick, you have to pay that back. And I think they're only doing $100 or $300. It's like only $300 or $100. The paid time off though, that's 80% of your income. If you make $5 grand a month, you're gonna get $4 grand a month. If you have 31 days of coverage, I highly recommend getting 31 days of coverage. If you only get 1 day of coverage, you know, you're only getting 1 day of pay. But anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos on this channel. I'll talk to y'all soon. Have a great day, guys. Peace.